Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a minute since we recorded anything on this channel. However, I needed to learn how to do a quick voiceover for my next video, so I figured let's record it and here we go. Right now I'm just in my edit tab. We're going to go on the bottom to the Fairlight tab because this is where you're going to go to create this. In your Fairlight tab, you're going to right click anywhere in this area to add a new track. I'm going to pick stereo. Doesn't really matter. I'm just using one microphone anyway, but from here, all right, so you have your track. We're going to go all the way to the right over here because this track is audio 2. So we're going to go A2, whatever one it matches, and click no input. You want to make sure that it is reading your mic. So from no input, I clicked input. And on the left side, you got your audio inputs. Both of these read, I have two different Sennheiser headsets set up. So click the one that you're using right now, patch that up, close it out, and you have your mic set up here. It should read it over here in the area with the name. So from there, you want to make sure you click the R button so that it's ready to record. And hold on a second, it's going to get a little noisy. Yeah, because now you're going to hear your voice in here. If you don't like that, just mute that volume button on the right side because it gets a little tricky. All right, so from there, now you're ready to record. You could have your video playing in its entirety and talk along with your video while it plays. So this is pretty cool. So right now we're recording while it's playing and it's really cool. Here's this cool place, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I'm gonna stop that now. But it's nice because you can go back right away. You can play it and hear it. All right, and it works. So right now it's just continuing to play because I turned off the record button, but it's super easy. Turn it back on. It's recording again. Here we are, yada, yada, yada. Anyway, super simple. I used to just do it in another program, and why would you have to do that? You could just create the audio track right here. Hope it helped. Tune in next time for more helpful tips and tricks. As I learn them, I will share them. Take care, everybody.